Alright guys, so in today's video we are gonna look into some Pepe Coin charts here, see what are the next targets here for Pepe Coin, as now Pepe Coin is still holding strong above the 10 level, showing some nice strength with this recent weekly close. As you can see here, this green weekly close here, which in my opinion here is bullish. So let's discover what's going on here in the charts, guys. With no further ado, let's get into it. Now, since we've seen that a double bottom play on Pepe Coin, we are now seeing this weekly candle closing bullish. Now, the concerns here last week were that we got rejected from that orange line that we see here, which is that VWAP we got rejected from here previously, and we've seen a huge sell-off in the past, as you can see here, and as well it was acting as a support here previously. So now, as I said, it was not a hard rejection, and as we can see here in the charts, we are not seeing any signs of cooling off here or any signs of hard rejection from that level, which means now, guys, that we could see higher prices here on Pepe Coin. So one thing as well here to note, guys, is that a lot of people as well got into these highs on Pepe Coin. Now, usually the markets are very tricky and they usually look into trapping people, and usually what we see here, whenever we get these pumps, usually the market traps people and dumps. But now so far here, guys, it is not happening. Most people that bought the tops here or the peak euphoria last 2 weeks here on meme coins, on Pepe Coin, on Bitcoin and the cryptos and on the crypto space, now we do not see any traps playing out here, especially after this weekly candle here close, guys. Now, to go back to that lower time frame here, guys, that 4-hour time frame, we can see now, guys, here we are still looking good. We are still playing that higher high, higher low structure, which is important, guys. Now, as long as we keep this structure, this just means we're going higher, and this phase here is just an accumulation for another breakout to the upside. So as we can see here, guys, this blue line here, VWAPs, which are volume weighted moving averages, simply as that, and they do tend to show where the trend is going, and we do see bounces of those levels. As you can see here, if we zoom in, we get a nice bounce from here on that level, and as well we can see the rejection as well here, high time frame VWAP here, and then here again here. But so far, guys, as I said, we are looking bullish, and the price doesn't seem to care anymore, and we're still putting some sort of a lower high higher than that previous low, and we're still keeping the structure from this low again and those previous lows here. So when it comes to the lower time frame here, guys, it's still looking good. Now the question here remains, what are the targets here? What could happen here? Now, first of all, we're gonna start with the upside here, as it's still looking like we are going higher. Now, the next obvious target here, guys, would be that 18 level, 1872, which is simply those previous highs. Now, we know cryptocurrencies, they like to go to where liquidity is. Now, most of the liquidity is probably resting here, where most of the people that are short are leaving their stops, and as well, this is the level where most of the FOMO gonna start to kick in, because as soon as the price reaches this point, we do not have any resistances until the all-time high here on Pepe Coin. Now, guys, I know this might seem a bit bullish, but we should keep in mind, guys, that the big picture here is bullish. We have Bitcoin here, guys, trading at 37k and still looking so bullish here, guys. So there is no denying here that the market is super bullish right now. There is a lot of disbelief in the market right now. A lot of people are still in that disbelief that this is fake, this is a trap, this is not gonna happen, this is too much for cryptocurrencies, this is too bullish. But guys, the charts do not lie. We are here way above any major resistances on Bitcoin. The market is pretty bullish, to be honest, and we can see Pepe Coin here is showing that strength as well. So as I said, this would be the first target here. My first target already got hit when we remember, guys, I told you we're looking for that 15 level, so we almost got there. We got to that 1496, and right now, guys, we're seeing a cool off, but to me here it looks like we're still getting higher. As you can see, guys, still higher highs, higher lows, which is important. As you can see, guys, we're still taking these highs, we're still taking the highs. Now here, if the market was looking to trap people, we're not probably gonna go towards this previous high. So people that bought the real top are still got in profit, still got time to get out. Now, for those that are looking for entries here, guys, as I said on my previous video, this level here around that 10-11 level would be a nice entry for a long. That's I'm waiting waiting for, as I've taken a long previously here, made some nice profits, and as well now I'm waiting for any dips here that we could get here. Now let me put that price in here around that 11 level here, 1090, or even that low as 1050 or 1070 here. This would be a nice entry for another leg up here on Pepe Coin if we do get that now, guys. Now something interesting as well playing out here. So these are the top meme tokens by market cap. Now we can see the whole market now is cooling off after 2 weeks of up only. Right now, guys, we're seeing the market cooling off, and right now, guys, Floki is up almost 10%. Now if you remember, before Pepe Coin started this recent rally that was more than 100%, it all started with Floki pumping, and now today, guys, we have Floki up almost 10%, and we all know what this means. Floki usually now recently starts the rally on the meme coin space. We can see now Floki up 10%. We have Pepe Coin at 1% up today, and we have Shiba Inu 0.6 and Dogecoin 0.4. So slowly we're seeing again that rebound happening here on the meme coin space. We're seeing again those gains happening, and probably again we're gonna see the same thing playing out with Floki pumping, and then we're gonna see Pepe Coin and then Shiba Inu and Dogecoin following. So this is interesting nonetheless here playing out again here, guys. So if this plays out again, this would be very good to keep in mind for what's coming here, guys, for the upcoming year. Whenever we see Floki starting the rally or Pepe Coin starting the rally, we know that the meme coin space is gonna start to rally. So far, as I said, Floki is up 10%, which is looking good. And as well, the charts are saying the same thing here, guys, with the charts looking bullish. As you can see here, guys, the charts just higher highs, higher lows, ready for another break to the upside, guys. So just for perspective, that would be another 65% pump to that 1870 level. And then from there, guys, we're gonna see what's gonna happen here next on Pepe Coin. So as I said here, now to the downside, for the people that are on the sidelines, for people that were in disbelief here, people calling lower prices, people that believe the idea of a recession, of crypto space is going down. Now a lot of these people right now are looking for dips to buy. A lot of these people right now are sidelined, and any pumps to the upside makes them feel bad. And that's as well, guys, shows that the max pain in the market is to the upside. The higher the market goes, the more people feel pain in this market, because most of the people are sidelined. So here, guys, for those that are sidelined, what would be that perfect entry here? And we're simply gonna use this fixed range tool that we've been using here recently on Pepe Coin to get those nice entries. Now you can see here, guys, on that lower band of that fixed range tool, which that yellow line, blue line, we can see here previously. If you are one of the OGs followers on my YouTube channel, guys, you know we got some Pepe Coin here, and then we got here. We were on some underwater for a while, and then we added once that double bottom was looking like it's gonna play out, guys. Now this means, guys, as if we do get a dip towards these levels, which I said is pretty unlikely. At least we need to see another leg up, if anything, to see another dip. Now these levels would be a major opportunity for spot for the future, guys, for the bull market to add more Pepe Coin, or for those that are sidelined to get into Pepe Coin here, guys. For this to happen as well, we need Bitcoin to go back to that 30k. If Bitcoin goes back to that 30k, we could see Pepe Coin going back here to these levels, and these levels would be around that 85, guys, that 85 level here, or even that 90 level. Anything below 90 or around 80 is gonna be a nice buying opportunity here on Pepe Coin. And if we get there, guys, I'm gonna even add more. As I said, my goal is to hold 10 billion Pepe Coin for the bull market, and whenever we get dips, I just add more. So this would be that level I'll be looking at, is that 90 to that 85 level here on Pepe Coin. So remember, guys, if we do get there as well, I'll keep you updated on my channel. I'm monitoring Pepe Coin. I'm updating you daily on my channel on Pepe Coin, so don't forget to subscribe as well, and leave a like if you enjoy this type of videos. As well, if you have any more questions, guys, you can join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. You can ask me any questions there. I also share my day trades there as well. Now for those that are trading derivatives, you can check out FairDesk. No KYC, no VPN needed to join. You get a nice bonus on your deposit, and as well, by using my link, you become a VIP5, which means your trading fees get drastically reduced. You can trade most of the altcoins here, guys, including Pepe Coin, most of the altcoins here as well. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. Now again, guys, this is my humble opinion. Nothing is financial advice. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.